Hey guys! Hey guys! Welcome to our time. So guys, today we'll be doing Whisper Challenge. So you might be already knowing what is Whisper Challenge. So Whisper Challenge is nothing but our partner will be listening a loud music and we have to whisper a phrase or a sentence, whatever we like. So let's see how it would be going and how challenging it would be and how fun it would be. So hope you guys will be enjoying with us. Let's start. Yes.
First chance to my
So I'll be starting, guys.
good head.
So let's see whether I can. Sorry. So let's see whether I can catch her whisper what she's doing. Okay.
Can you guys hear the music outside?
Start.
So my first phrase is I like to eat my toast.
I like you.
We have only 2 chances on this game, okay? Not more than that. So think before you say. Wait a second. I will just give him the instructions.
എന്താ നീ പറയണേ? What you are saying?
You have only 2 choices.
Okay.
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 So be aware what you say. If you don't understand for in first whisper, ask me to repeat.
Okay.
But don't give
Okay.
the
So
answer.
do one thing. Don't like tell in one sentence. Like at least say 3 words then stop.
No, I won't do that. It will be easy to understand. Sorry.
Okay,
Only
okay,
one,
okay, okay.
one sentence. Okay?
Okay.
Ready?
Mm.
Okay, what happened? I like to eat my toast.
I like you, my toast.
I will repeat one more time. I like to eat my toast.
I like you to eat my toast.
Ah, so
What
well
was
tried.
it?
Well
What?
tried. You gave this. I like to eat my toast.
My toast, sir.
Toast.
Okay, so it's your chance. It's so loud, yeah. So I will tell, okay? So guys, I know she can't listen anything. Lady Gaga is gonna be in American Horror Story.
What? Baby?
Lady Gaga.
Baby?
Lady Gaga.
Lady.
Lady Gaga
Lady Gaga
is
is
gonna be
going
in American
in
Horror
stadium.
Stadium. Out.
Huh?
2 chances got over.
What?
No. 2 chances got over.
कुछ भी.
Lady Gaga is gonna be in an American Horror Story.
It's a long sentence. Mine was little shorter than you.
No.
It's cheating.
No. It was not
Lady
cheating.
Gaga is
It was
going to
right.
be American Horror Story.
Then only it will be fun, right? Otherwise, there is no fun in it.
So the next one goes to are all gonna die, but I have a helmet.
We are all gonna have backpack.
It's coming closer. Only one chance more. We are all gonna die, but I have a helmet.
We all are going to have a backpack.
Out there, no count.
It's so loud, yeah. What was it?
We are all
Seriously,
gonna
guys, I
die.
cannot hear
We
anything.
are all gonna die, but I have a helmet.
Say water, drink beer. Just try. Try. Say water, drink beer.
Cave.
Water.
Once more.
Say water, drink beer.
Cave water.
Say water, drink beer. Just try. Say water, drink beer. Say water, drink beer.
Cave water.
Cave water. Drink beer.
Out.
Out. It's tough, yeah. Say water, drink beer.
Say water. Drink beer. Wow, it was so easy.
Yes. Actually, it was easy.
Okay. Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. I have you.
Don't mess up with me, I have you.
Right. You won.
1 point, guys.
Next me. It was so easy.
Okay, I'll start. Angry people need hug or sharp object.
Huh?
Angry people need hug or sharp object. Angry people need hug or sharp object.
Any people need
Hug
a
or sharp object.
sharp object.
Angry people need hug or sharp object.
Any people need hat or sharp object.
Wrong. Angry people need hug or sharp object.
And any people?
Angry people. After removing also she is telling wrong.
So the last one for him. I'll play the song. You are my handsome Hulk who love to ride.
You are my ex.
You are my handsome Hulk who ride.
You
Now
are
it
my
is true.
same Hulk.
You have only two choices.
Okay,
Wait.
last.
Okay. You are my handsome Hulk who love to ride.
You are my Sriman who tell lies.
He is not alive. Last chance. ഒന്നുകൂടി കൊടുക്കാല്ലേ ലാസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ അല്ലേ ഓക്കെ ലാസ്റ്റ് ചാൻസ് യു ആർ മൈ ഹാൻസം ഹൾക്ക് who love to ride.
You are my ice cream who loves light. What?
You are my handsome Hulk who love to ride.
Wow. Handsome Hulk.
4 time and it is 1 and here Mutta. I am on Mutta and I guess I will be coming out from it on my last one. Let's see.
Okay, guys. So last one.
Ready.
Fat kids are
I'm on my mood to dance. Sorry.
Fat kids are harder to kidnap. Fat kids are
Fact is,
harder to kidnap. Fat kids are harder to kidnap.
fact is hard to eat.
Always eating only. Fat kids are harder to kidnap.
Fact is always,
Fat kids are harder to kidnap.
fact is always hard to eat. And hard to eat alale. One more. I have to win.
Fat kids are harder to kidnap.
Fact is always ಇಲ್ಲ.
Out guys, out
One
guys.
more. Last chance. One more.
Fat kids are harder to kidnap.
Fact is hardest to.
Fat kids are harder to kidnap.
Fact is harder to keep time.
Wrong. I won.
Whisper challenge. I thought it will be the easiest game I will be playing, and I am wrong. I lost it.
Overacting. Okay.
I lost.
So guys, that's the end of our video. Hope you guys enjoyed our video. Hope you guys had fun with us.
So the whisper challenge doesn't end well for me. Let's see for our next video so that I will win the match.
Seriously?
Okay guys, so thank you so much. Do subscribe, do like, do share. Watch you in our next video. Until then, bye from Hours Time.
Bye.